our session is about communication skills. A communication is a mediator or a process of transferring a message from one person to another person. The another person may be a single or double or a group of tens or hundreds or thousands of people. So here a communication is a process that we change the message from one to another. It is a process of communication. And here in this communication, every well-being is to be done here. In the world, not only a human being is going on communication, but also animals, even an ant make a communication with another ants. In the same way, birds like crow, parrot, all other birds can communicate with each other with their linguistic manner. And now the human being can be communicated in verbal, non-verbal, or by a soft touch. Mostly, a human being can be communicated verbally or in virtual way also nowadays. In verbal, most can be done very fluently. In communication skills, a well productivity like a linguistic manner with a simple body language and with a light smile, very genuine smile, and our phrase expressions. These are all very important in these communication skills, because when we are forwarding a message from us, they have to receive well through our communication. So we have to express our message very genuinely through this process. That's why these body languages and face expressions, our genuine smile, our eye contact, all these are very important for these communication skills. And by also non-verbally, we can communicate with each other by showing some postures, gestures, by giving high fives, high and by giving thumbs. These are all the process of non-verbal communications. If some communicator asks the question, then a person have to give the answer, then he will raise the hand. Yes, it is a process of non-verbal because he is showing the intensity to give the answer. Here he is showing raising hand. That is the intensity. It is a non-verbal communication process. In the same way, a human being can communicate verbally and also non-verbally, and also soft touches. When we see a child, we can touch softly. Here, the child laughs and we expresses a happiness by touching that small child. Or old age people, they need the touch of the love. They need the touch of the humanity. Here these communications are the process of verbal, non-verbal communication and the soft touch communication. These three are very important and critical and sensitive methods for these communication skills. So we have to improve all these three because we need verbal or non-verbal or a soft touch. In such conditions or in such situations, or in such circumstances we need different types of communication skills, whether they are verbal, whether by using body language, whether by using postures, gestures, or eye contact, or facial expressions, or a smile, genuine smile, or non-verbally and hi and bye, or giving thumbs ups, or giving high fives, and or by closely at touch ups. So these are the process of communication skills, and these may lead a grand success in such some situations. So by using all these techniques, you must improve your success rates and generate many successful moments. Thank you.